Today is finally the day that we are getting on the downpipe and front pipe. I bought the MAPerformance catted downpipe, and now that I think of it, I really should have gotten the catless downpipe because I can easily just register my car in Maine, which I'm going to do soon when the registration is up. But anyway, it's still going to be a big improvement over stock, and then obviously the MAPerformance 3-inch front pipe as well. So we're going to have a full MAPerformance exhaust on the car. Dakota actually did a lot of work before I even got here this morning.
So far, I originally took, so you're gonna have to take the heat shield off, so I actually got, there's 3 bolts that go with it. There's a bolt that sits right here up on top of the downpipe. You're gonna actually need like a wobbly socket. I don't know if that's the correct term for it. Just because it's such a hard angle to get under there.
Yeah.
But take the heat shield off, take the cold air intake inlet pipe off. WD-40 the crap out of the turbo bolts.
Yeah, so that's what we're doing right now.
Oh, these are, but it's a hard thing to get to.
Nice.
Whew. See, if you do it correctly, you put enough WD-40 on there, you should be able to just undo it with your hand.
So next thing, guys, I've already showed you this before with the intercooler install, but take the skid plate off, very easy.
So now, that heat shield's sitting right there too, see?
Oh, nice. Those are big ones.
Oh yeah. How big? 14? I'll move my head so you don't smack me in the head. Oh yeah. One breaker bar? Oh my god. There you go.
So I don't know if you guys just saw, but
These guys?
that's the downpipe and that's the front pipe, and I just undid that bolt right there and that bolt, and I used a breaker bar and it was much easier, so. Dude, breaker bar is like,
It's so easy.
that's awesome.
Makes it so much easier.
I need to go buy one of those, man. All right, so now we're working on the O2 sensor. First, you unplug it from right up here.
Okay, there we go. Okay, so now O2's unclipped. Downpipe should be ready to come off. Well,
There's the O2 sensor inside the downpipe. All right, guys, so what I'm gonna do right here, since we could really use this extra space, is I'm gonna take this piece off. Did it freaking work, man? Oh, there we go.
moment we've all been waiting for. That.
Awesome.
So I'm gonna push up top.
Yeah, I got it.
And it's coming off the studs now. Got one more. There we go.
I got it.
Come right down towards you. Perfect.
Oh, that's so heavy. All right, here is the stock downpipe, boys. Let's get a side by side. Wow. That's a big difference. That's my foot.
I'm gonna take these out so that I can drop this down a little bit
Okay.
so that I can have some clearance to get my arm up in there. So you see the 3 bolts on there?
Yep.
We're gonna loosen those. You're on. There you go.
Oh, that wasn't even bad.
No, these ones aren't bad.
Okay, what do you need me to do?
I just gotta pull this guy off. And these are a pain in the butt. When we did the front pipe at my car buddy's house, he actually broke that grommet. And we just ended up.
What the?
Yeah.
Holy crap.
You get it?
No.
That's that.
Oh. You okay?
Oh, yeah. There you go. Now, lift up towards you. And then turn a little bit. There you go.
Yeah.
It was the heat shield. So I told you. Just gotta move the heat shield.
All right, so we had big troubles getting the front pipe out, and you can see right there, we removed the heat shield.
This guy right here.
It was 3 10 millimeter, huh?
A few 10 millimeter.
10 millimeter. Okay.
6 10 millimeter. So 6 10 millimeter bolts.
Dude, I'm dizzy. Whew. All right.
So now,
Awesome, possum. This is the stock front pipe. That is so skinny. Oh my god. Now we're working on getting the rubber
I'm trying to salvage it because it cracked a little bit.
thing off.
These are a pain in the butt. Where's that flathead at? WD-40. Oh. There. You'll need a O2 sensor socket, just opened end so that you can, run it through there. And I already loosened it, but you'll get it through. It's a little bit of a tough, break on it, but you get it. And then once you do that, there. O2 sensor.
Nice.
Then run it into the new one.
Little tiny turbo. Let's look at that turbo, guys.
Little tiny turbo. It's
Oh my god.
a 50-cent piece.
Are we gonna start up here, or are we gonna start with the front pipe?
Let's do the downpipe first. So that one's gonna be for that back one, that back corner one. Good.
I just actually screwed that in a little bit. So as you just saw, we just got the top of the downpipe bolted up.
Now,
Okay, too far.
too far?
Yeah.
Well,
Okay, get it, don't move.
okay.
All right, everything was successful. Now we just have to lower the car down and give you guys a cold start. Oh, you can smell it too.
Yeah.
Wow.
You'll smell it.
That's a lot louder. Oh, yeah. That's a lot louder. Oh, you can smell that too. Getting a new one of these from Honda would be like what?
Now it's not touching.
50 to 100 bucks. I don't care.
Maybe.
I don't care. I've already taken this off with Sergio before when we wrapped it. This can be easily replaced. I'm not worried about that. All right, well, we're gonna go down the street real quick and end the video with some flybys. I just texted Vivian because she knows this is gonna be her daily driver, and I was like, we just finished. It's a lot louder, and she just messages back. She's like, oh great. I'll do a few.
Okay.
Gosh, that sounds so good. I love this already. Oh, you can definitely smell it breaking in. God, that sounds so good. That is beautiful. Oh my God, that sounds so good. MAPerformance, great job on this exhaust system. Oh my God, that feels good. I am ready to win some freaking races, guys. Woo! That sounds so good. I'm in love with this car all over again, man.
Cam, I'm gonna leave this for you because you don't know that I'm recording this. Bro, look at my arm. I'll tear up my arm for you, bro, any day.
All right, well, my first impressions are obviously you guys have heard me. I love it. I think it sounds great. I think it's such an improvement over stock. When I floored it, when I did that one pass where I floored it,
Yeah,
it felt so much better.
bro, it sounds so good. It sounds so good.
Once you get up to like 4,000 RPM, it has this really crazy tone. Crazy for 1.5. It has a really wild tone that is way different from the way it was before. Like it just, I don't know.
Yeah, it sounds so good.
It's crazy.
It sounds so good.
I love it. Anyway, that's all I have. Make sure you guys thank Dakota. If you guys haven't seen my review of his car that we did last night, then go check that out. And thanks for watching.